AdyaClarity. Because this extract works with nature, it doesn't just remove the bad things from your water. Within 72 hours, it actually neutralizes everything and turns it harmless to the human body. AdyaClarity has been tested and proven by US EPA certified labs to remove heavy metals, fluoride, over 80 different types of volatile organic compounds, E. coli and coliform bacteria, chlorine and chloramine, chemical contaminants, and pharmaceuticals. You can look at our test reports in our website at waterhealingsecrets.com. So even if your tap water contains lead, mercury, arsenic, industrial byproducts, E. coli or coliform bacteria, this breakthrough technology has been tested and proven to purify water of these toxic contaminants. Now, in the history of the world, water is the most healing substance on the planet. Water in nature is best when it comes out of a spring. When we look at the world's healing hot springs and mineral springs known for their healing properties, we will observe that they are extremely high in sulfate mineral content. Moreover, these minerals are always in ionic form. That is to say, they exist in a form that can be absorbed and utilized by living things. Moreover, they come to us in a complete matrix of full spectrum minerals in a concentration and balance that the body needs. Now, AdyaClarity provides the body with one of the most complete mineral matrices that nature has to offer, with over 80 soluble trace minerals. So just like the minerals in healing hot springs, AdyaClarity is a magnetic ionic sulfate mineral solution. Here is a video that will show you how it works on tap water. Hello everybody, this is Roslyn Tan from waterhealingsecrets.com. In this demonstration, I will show you exactly how AdyaClarity black mica magnetic sulfate minerals work to purify water. In this cup is ordinary tap water. The water in the glass appears clean and pure. Now, we will add a few drops of AdyaClarity magnetic sulfate mineral solution into the water. Immediately, the minerals will start to activate the oxygen in the water. To activate the oxygen breaks down invisible dissolved contaminants and converts them into visible and soluble inert matter that is harmless to the body. About 30 minutes later, we see the texture of the water has changed. It has become less transparent and slightly yellowish. It is starting to push out everything that is not naturally supposed to be in the water, the heavy metals, microorganisms, and chemical contaminants, and forcing them out of the water clusters. About 4 hours later, we can see tiny specks of insoluble particulates like a cloud of dust precipitating and clumping together. Let the glass of water overnight, and we see the contaminants collecting at the bottom of the glass, leaving us with pure clean drinking water with over 80 life-giving trace minerals. You can simply filter out the insoluble contaminants using a coffee strainer, or if you use the AdyaClarity filtration systems, these contaminants will be filtered out through the built-in filters, making your pure, clean mineral water readily available to you for drinking. Even if you do not filter out the deposits, they will no longer harm the body because they are in a stable inert form. So start drinking healthy, oxygenated, healing mineral water today. Thank you. When you treat your water with these minerals, everything that is not supposed to be in your water simply comes out. All biological and chemical toxins in your water are neutralized. Then they will clump together and fall to the bottom. What's left will be fresh, sweet-tasting mineral water. After the water is healed, the minerals will keep the oxygen in the water activated for as long as the minerals are in the water. Harmful contaminants cannot grow or form back again in the water. This means you can treat your water with these minerals, store that water, and the water will stay good virtually forever. Nothing will grow back in the water again. Even if more contaminants are added to the water, As long as there is enough AdyaClarity in the water will still stay good. If you have a hot tub, you can put this in your hot tub and have maintenance-free water for up to 8 months. Modern diseases are tied to mineral deficiencies and toxicities. Mineral deficiency is very common in the 21st century. It's a condition that is linked to countless health problems such as cancers and diabetes and muscular dystrophy. Due to large-scale modern and commercialized agricultural practice, the liberal use of synthetic chemicals and fertilizers, most of the soil on which our food is grown is severely depleted of minerals. The result is deficient and toxic foods. And when we consume these foods, we become deficient and toxic too. Moreover, most of the water we drink today is not only polluted, but is also completely devoid of essential life-giving trace minerals. The result is a significant decline in the people's health, evidenced by a steady increase in degenerative diseases. AdyaClarity water purification system heals your water and you. AdyaClarity purifies water without the use of synthetic chemicals. It is effective against some of the worst and most common contaminants in our water today. It restores water to its primordial state with a balanced ratio of symbiotic minerals. The problem with taking isolated mineral supplements as opposed to a full-spectrum mineral supplement, such as the AdyaClarity mineral extract, is that we may take in too much of one kind of mineral over the other minerals, causing internal imbalance and other health problems. AdyaClarity supplies over 80 trace minerals in soluble ionic form in a balanced proportion that the body can receive and absorb. AdyaClarity also helps you correct deficiencies, thereby strengthening your body's health and immunity. It enhances the body's ability to detoxify. In the same way that AdyaClarity minerals purify water, they neutralize accumulated toxins within the body and convert them into inert substances which can be easily expelled from the body. Finally, AdyaClarity improves the taste of your water by enhancing its mineral content. Recently, Dr. Brian Clement, a prominent leader in natural health and the director of Hippocrates Health Institute, did an in-depth study on AdyaClarity and found that the minerals help to detoxify his volunteers from undesirable substances